Move over, Denzel.
We just finished check-in. I'm hungry. I'm starving. She's right here. She's just getting her stuff. So, like, after I have a whole Don Julio, you a Julio shot in my bag. Do you? Yes, and I forgot. And they look like they forgot too. I need a little bit of that. Oh, they checking her cup.
You gotta be the one.
I hope they let her keep it. It's just ice in here. Her Stanley cup. All right, y'all. But clearly, we're in Jamaica. Trini's in the back. Say hey, Trini.
Wait, I look like a Krispy Kreme donut right now.
Kesna. Say hey, Kesna. I don't know if he was in frame, but we're on the way to the hotel. We're hungry. It was a good flight though. Everything is going good so far. So we'll keep you posted on what we do throughout the day. But we're in Jamaica, y'all. I'm so happy. Alright, y'all.
Next month, you took over this.
Jersey.
We might take one.
Thank you. You're welcome. This one. Ignore. He's taking my drink. It's got complimentary welcome drink. Blue. I don't like blue drinks. I'm not gonna lie. I'm scared of blue stuff.
Blue Sour Patch.
I'm scared of blue drinks. No, I know that's right. We on top of it. Ooh, that's delicious. That tastes like Kool-Aid. But the hotel is really beautiful, y'all. We're about to check in right now. They put like a little tag on our bag and they gave us a ticket, so to match the ticket up with our bag. But it tastes like Kool-Aid or something. It's sweet. But yeah, so I just wanted to check in. I'm gonna do a hotel tour later, but look at the lobby.
Oh, and your Wi-Fi is connected to your room.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, she said don't sit. What's your picture?
My birthday.
Birthday queen.
Thank you.
So cheers to the birthday girl. Cheers to the birthday girl.
Come guys.
Actually, could you hold this and record us taking a shot? Please. Thank you. The other way. Just flip it. Yep. This is recording. Go ahead. Just flip it. The other way. Oh, just like that. You see the screen? You see the screen? Yeah. Okay.
Ready?
Yes.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Thank you, Queen.
Jeez. So my name is Mel. I'm the birthday girl. Left by like Anthony is gonna be the drunkest. But
He be drinking.
I smoke.
It's so dark. I don't know why it's so dark.
I'm supporting her.
Oh, we already did. Who's gonna
do it again. Do it again.
Wait, what am I supposed to say?
Your name is Benji.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Why for them apple look bigger? Apple look?
Nobody over there.
Two of the friends.
Thank you.
Once you want to find the elevator that way. Remember, first time you're building, that's how much you live. I'll meet you up to you, yeah?
Thank you.
I know my way around here, so come on.
It is so beautiful out here, y'all.
Imagine having bikes. They got bikes? They got scooters?
So this is our room. This is me. Y'all don't even understand the joy that I'm feeling. Okay, the little bathtub. Okay. It's a very weird smell in the shower. Not gonna lie, but actually I'm gonna crack that. Let's air that out. I don't know what's going on in there. Okay. I don't know why the lighting is okay.
This is for everybody. The ladies over there, orange, yellow, blue. There's a security guard right beside them. Yeah, there's no security guard right there. The guy who said, just the process. Yeah, I don't know. Over there. So everybody's invited. We got
Reactive or whatever. That's you.
While I got the perfect light, might as well. Hey y'all, so update. We're in our rooms. About to go get some food. We all are just like chilling right now. And after we get some food, we're gonna try to go to, no, that's what I said too. I don't know wherever I go get deodorant from. If I'm able to, I'll get a charger. Cause yeah, I left my charger from my camera batteries home, y'all.
Yeah.
And deodorant. Like I bought everything but those two things. But it's okay, it is what it is. Make the best of it.
Okay.
But I'm so happy to be here, y'all. Y'all don't even understand. I need a vacation so bad. I was crashing out at work. Life been lifing.
Okay.
So I definitely needed this, but yup, I'm with the girls. They're looking all beautiful. Yeah, guys, I just wanted to do another check-in and let you know what was going on. And I will talk to you later. Mad close to the camera. I just wanted to update you guys on the day. We had a great day. We got some food, as y'all saw. I don't think I got to show the food because we were so hungry. We just started eating. But now we're getting ready to go to, like, I guess one of the clubs on the resort. So we're all getting ready. I have a pimple on my face the size of Texas. So that's fun. But my roommate has some pimple patches, so hopefully that will be gone by tomorrow. But yeah, I'm just doing my makeup right now. Yes, y'all, we're in Jamaica. I'm so happy to be here. It's just a blessing to be able to travel and, you know, do things like this every time. I'm so humbled every time I travel because it's just like, this is my life. I get to do this. Like, I love this for me. I love this for me. So yeah, guys, I'm going to check back in once my makeup is done. Ooh, that pimple is just pissing me off. But yeah, I'll check back in a minute. Hey guys, it's kind of loud outside. I don't know if you can hear me or see me. It's very humid, so my camera is like fogging up. But let me show y'all my outfit really quick. Ooh, it feels so good. What?
They want to talk to you.
Yes? I'm in trouble. Hello? Yeah. Okay. It's a little dark right here. Let me see. Is this the light? No. Okay, y'all. No, you go. So this is the outfit. So I ordered this accidentally. I feel like I told y'all about that off Fashion Nova. It's the wrong fucking size. But it is what it is. I'm making it work. Somebody might see a nipple today, but good thing we on the adults only side. Amen, amen. Oh, actually, let me show you the bathroom. Let me show you the bathroom. It's a little bit brighter in here. But yes, y'all. Day 2 in Jamaica. We're just gonna chill by the pool today. Relax a little bit. And we have dinner reservations tonight at 9:30. But yeah, today's just a chill day, y'all. It's so humid out here. My camera keeps fogging up. My lens keeps fogging up.
Black crayon and just black out your stuff.
Didn't I say that yesterday?
And turn it in our watch. Black you out.
You said some eyeliner or something.
Some eyeliner.
Wait, is that in the room now?
Hey guys. So we just left the pool. I think we're on our way to, they have like a lazy river and like I think a water park over on the side. Look at the beach and the cabanas. So beautiful.
I was like, you don't want to
Yeah.
because I was
No problem.
Give you like a little tube you could sit in. Yeah. Ooh, we gotta do that.
All when the speed cut, people still have to catch them. And still have, you know what I mean? So, speed cut right now and people still have to catch them.
Hey guys. I feel like I haven't checked in a little minute, but dressed and on the way to dinner. I actually want to show y'all my outfit real quick. Let me see. So I got this dress. Fashion over, of course. My hair is in like a ponytail, but yes. We're about to go have a dinner. The birthday girl wanted it to be a surprise, her outfit and stuff, so I'm excited to see her. Yes, guys, I just wanted to check in. Jamaica has been treating me, oh, it's like amazing. Jamaica has been such a vibe. Okay, yeah, so I could get the... You look so pretty, friend. How do you feel? Yes. Yes. Oh my God, look at her. Hey, hey, hey. You look good, girl. You look good. You look clean. Goody. Ah, you look so good, girl.
Oh, wait,
My What do you do? Yes, big wow. Say hi, Chrissy. Yes.
It's so crazy how
I don't know where Krishna is. Say hi, Krishna.
and like hold the outfit.
Everybody said hi except for you. Say hey, Krishna.
Somebody said for the third cup.
Oh.
Give it up, it's a birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Oh my God!
We're gonna get married tonight. We're gonna get
That was, oh my God. Did y'all see what just happened? Nice Beyonce. Oh. Okay, I was like, this is
You giving her a hug? Did you give her a hug?
Good morning. Hey y'all, good morning. Last night was amazing. As you can see, my friend got engaged. Like, I was so gagged. I'm so happy for her. She was so happy all night. She was like, and she should have, period. But yeah, literally just woke up. Day 3. We're out here for 3 more days. What's today? Friday? Yeah, really Monday. Saturday, Monday. Okay. I'm about to go get some food. Look at my tan line. I'm about to go get some food, some breakfast. There's a day pool party that starts at 3. So of course I want to eat before that, and then, you know, just vibe out. But yes, y'all, I just wanted to check in. Ain't nothing going on. I just woke up.
the outfit. It's cute. It don't look like it's really. It looks like
A little sparkle. Like what? The fit change. It looks like it's almost. Hey y'all. So I just wanted to come in and check in, whatever. Say what's up. We're actually going out to the club in a little bit, and I just wanted to do a little quick fit check. The fits have been fitting. The vacation fits have been eating down. I've been getting so many compliments and like, but yes, even though I had a couple wardrobe malfunctions, the fits are fitting. But just wanted to come in and do a quick update. I don't think I'm gonna bring my camera out, but I'm gonna record from my phone. I'm gonna try to get what I can from my phone. But all right, guys. Oh, and I'm also wearing glasses with the fit. I think they're gonna go stupid. But yeah, girl, I'm gonna check in. Okay. No, suntan? I'm looking. Hey, girl. So this is the story we all got. You're done. Hey, Trini. Because what is wrong with her? I don't know, y'all. I don't know. This is excursion day, and y'all will never believe what happened to me. Party like I rock. I'm so aggravated. Gonna make the best of it. I'm aggravated. I said 2 days. I had 2 days left. I fucked it up. Alright. I will check back in later with y'all, but we are doing excursions today.
Oh, this one.
Oh, you got 2?
This is sure.
Got an extra string?
Take it to your man and we're gonna have a nice day, alright? Alright, my God. How much power?
So we are about to do excursions. I think they said we're doing ATVs and zip lining and stuff, and we're at the place. Everybody's sitting over there, but I just wanted to check in. It's so humid, I'm so hot, but I'm excited. I'm really excited to do the ATVs. I did them before, but I love ATVs. But all right, y'all.
Oh yeah, that lock right. Go on, go. Yeah, that lock right.
Y'all, this is Benji from the future. I just wanted to throw this little part in because I did say I was going to tell y'all what happened and I never did. Yeah, I had some incidents with like some people there as far as like workers and stuff and things, but it didn't stop nothing. One monkey don't stop this show. Alright, things still like one. And then I forgot to mention, so I think I mentioned it in one part in the vlog, but I got into an ATV accident. It wasn't terrible, of course. I did not break anything. When I say I think, God is just, he just keeps me covered like all the time, because I did not break anything. I didn't severely injure myself. My arm is tore up right now. I don't know what I pulled, but it hurts to do like anything. I've been taking ibuprofen. I have some crazy bruises on my leg. They look crazy. They look like somebody was like really beating on me. But besides that, nothing broken. I could have had a concussion. I could have broke my neck. I could have broke my arm, my leg. Like, it could have been so much worse. And a couple bruises and some soreness. So I'm so grateful for that. And it happened. So what happened was, but long story short, I was on the ATV. I was getting too close to the person in front of me, and I kind of panicked. And instead of hitting my brake, my finger, I guess, was still on the gas a little bit. So I'm pulling. When I said, I was pulling on the brake so hard, and it was still going. I'm like, and I just swerved out to avoid hitting the person. And then I swerved into a tree. But it was kind of like two trees. Like, they was like stacked like this a little bit, but they was split. Like, it was two trees. Like, it was one tree, but it was two. And they was split like this. So I kind of ran into the first tree, and I guess I was still on the gas a little bit. So the first tree, like, the impact, I guess, knocked off my helmet. But then when I like kind of slid into the second tree, the one right behind it, I like jumped, bounced off my seat, and like hit my head right here a little bit. So yes, that's what happened. But and the whole day I was just like so down. I was crying. Like, I felt like I'm ruining the trip for everybody. Like, I don't know, I was just in my head about it. I was in my head about a couple things, but I hate when I overthink things, because I just really be in the moment trying to have fun, and then like when something happened, it kind of like, and then, you know, you get the stereotype of being like angry or whatever the case may be, just when you want to stick up for yourself, when people don't want to talk, when you don't let people talk to you crazy. Or no, me, I'm the sweetest person ever. Me, I'm so sweet. Like, I will take my clothes off my back, give you my last dollar. Like, I will try. Like, I'm a very sweet person. But it's like, once that switch, like once that switch flip, or once I get, or I'm gonna match your energy. If you being nasty to me, what you think I'm gonna give to you? Niceness? No, sir. Them days is gone. Like, maybe when I was younger, people give me attitude. I was like, oh, shit. No, now I say with my chest. Oh, I say? Excuse me? One more time. Right. No, treat me with respect, and I'm gonna treat you with more. Like, that's just the type of person I am. That's the type of person I am. But I don't want to ramble too much. This was supposed to be an intro, but I just wanted to like recap a little bit on the Jamaican vlog, because after the excursion day, we was there for 2 more days, but I did stop recording because I was just kind of like, damn. But down all day, I was crying. I couldn't stop crying. I'm like, I'm just being a party pooper. Like, oh, even now talking about it's like making me emotional. Continue vlog.
I'm trying to hold my stuff in the hand. Is that it?